We have an unboxing to do, a perfume unboxing. So this is the pack it came in. I've already dismantled all the cell tape that was used in holding this together because it was a whole lot. So yeah, I've decided that I'll be posting an unboxing video for you guys. Anything I get, I'll do the unboxing and post it. Yeah, that's part of posting on TikTok, and that's part of being consistent. So yeah, let's just unbox what I have here. And these are all the things I got. They are 5 in number. I got them from a vendor. This is my first time of actually patronizing this vendor, and to think that this vendor delivered, like I ordered it yesterday afternoon precisely, and I got my package this morning. Like this morning, guys. Just get into the unboxing proper, and I'll be telling you guys what I think of the perfumes. This is the first one here, which is my hair, and yeah, it's 25 ml, comes in a 25 ml bottle. For the prices, I don't remember, but I'll be leaving the prices on the screen so you guys will see the amount I got them from, and this is what it comes in. So let's check it out, yeah, and see what they smell like. Actually, like, I like the smell. I like the smell of this. I don't know what to classify. I actually like the smell of this. The second one here is a storm spray, and yeah, I didn't even want to smell it, but let me still try it. Sure. Let's see what it tastes like. What it smells like. I like the smell of this as well. This is the Storm Elixir, the Amber Oud. The third one here is this Beatrice in cocoa. I actually wanted the vanilla, but she said the vanilla is out of stock for now, so I just went with the cocoa. Let's try it and see what it smells like. The alcohol in this is so much. Like, I don't like the smell of this at all. I don't like the smell of this at all. Nah, I don't like the smell. After I'm done using this, I don't think I'll be purchasing. The next one here is Angam. Yeah, this is what it comes in, and let me bring it up for you guys. Smell it. And this is the bottle. Comes 25 ml bottle. Yeah. So let's. I think I'm just gonna spray it inside the cover, so I'll get it perfect. Yeah. I love the smell of this. I really do love the smell of this. Smells edible. Smells edible. I love it. Now to the last one on my list of perfumes I got is this one, which is the Latafa Karam in 50 ml. Okay. And this is one thing I like about this perfume. First off, is the bottle. Like, I am so in love with the bottle. So in love with the bottle, honestly. Okay, now let's smell it. Move it closer. I love the smell of this. I love the smell of this. It smells nice. Like, that's it. That's the unboxing I said I was going to do for you guys today. And thank you guys for watching. Bye. Yeah.